how you can fix your Discord when it say your phone number is invalid on your iPhone. So first thing first, let's open the Discord app, and once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface shown in the screen. So now you can see there is your profile option at the bottom right corner of this home page. So just tap on the profile icon, and once you tap on it, finally you can see there is settings at the top right corner of this profile page. So just select the profile icon afterward, and finally select the account at the second, which is shown in the screen. So now once you tap on it, finally what you can do is just tap on the phone number or phone, and you simply need to change the number from here. So if you are in different country and your sim is different country code, your sim is of different country code, then simply select that one, and finally you will be able to fix your Discord when it says your phone number is invalid. So yeah, basically this is how, and this is the process. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.